Hi, this is Joe from Prep Agent. I'm here with Ruth Almanor. She just passed her exam in Florida, and she's going to share with us her experience. So, Ruth, take it away.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Ruth Almonor. I'm a new real estate agent. So I just passed my Florida Sales Associate exam, and I'm super excited to share with you all my experiences, all the steps that I've taken to help me pass the real estate exam. So I'm going to be super honest. I took the exam 4 times, and I failed it the first three, and the fourth one I finally passed. Um, I've been studying for the exam since last year in November 2019. At that time, actually, I was still in college and I was also competing because I do bodybuilding as well. So I was super busy working 80 to 60 to 80 hours per week while I still tried to manage to go to the gym and study. Um, the first time that I took the exam, I learned all my vocabularies. I make sure that when I go to the gym, I listen to all the audios. I'm at work, I listen to it. I make sure I sign up for the text. Basically, when Joe sends you the text messages to tell you, hey, the exam is about to start. I mean, the webinar is about to start in 1 hour. So at that time, I used to get off work at 7 p.m. So I make sure that I quickly log in and so I can join while I'm driving. I will just listen to it even though I'm not participating. The first time I've studied all the vocabularies, I didn't study no math at all. I thought to myself, if you know the vocabularies, you will pass. I was wrong because I got 74 on my first try. So I waited a week later and I've studied the vocabularies again and I got the same score. So it was super frustrating. And I said to myself, okay, you didn't study the math. Maybe this time go back and study the math. So I waited a whole month to take the exam for the third time. I've studied the math, but that time I didn't really refresh my memories on the vocabularies. And when I went to take the exam for the third time, I got a 72. And I said to myself, okay, well, you studied the math, but you didn't really refresh your memories about the vocabularies. These two, like they have to go hand to hand. So you need all of them for you to pass the exam. Um, Afterwards, I waited about 2 months and I finally took my exam on May 7th and I got my license.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, so it's a good lesson in persistence. You said you do bodybuilding, so it's a similar thing. You got to stick with it, face a lot of adversity, stay consistent, build a routine. I find all the time personal trainers, bodybuilders, fitness people, they understand the idea of that routine and not seeing the benefit in the immediate, but seeing it more down the road, even if you don't see it. Because, when you do bodybuilding, the results don't come from you lift a weight and you automatically see it. The results come much later after you actually do the work.
Right, right. You have to be consistent, and I've used the same techniques that I've learned from bodybuilding, which is you have to be determined, persistent, and consistent. And my motto is whatever it takes. And even in bodybuilding, when I first started competing, I always placed first. And I said to myself, if I'm going to spend so much money and time, I'm not going to do that just for gain. So I want to win. And I use the same thing. Even though after I failed 3 times, I still stay persistent and see what actually didn't work out and seek for help. So another thing that I've done as well was I make sure that I was present. Not only like when I go to sleep, I put the audios on, so I listen to it for since November. I've never listened to music since November. It's all you in my head. I know all your audios from A to Z. Um, and I also make sure that not only did I listen to them, but I was able to teach. So from your YouTube videos, so I tried to find people who were in Florida. So I actually met a girl from your YouTube video that I've studied with. She also passed her exam as well. We met up and we were able to practice. So just like, hey, what is tenancy in common? What is joint tenancy? And hey, I'm having confusion with this. Like, can you help me with that? So it's all about you expand your knowledge and not only you practice, not only you be present, but make sure that you participate. As you can tell on all your YouTube videos, I'm always there. Like I would say, hi everyone, I'm here. And on your Instagram, so I make sure I go to look at like the practice questions of the day or all the examples. So I was resilient. And after that, I changed my name to
Relentless.
yes, relentless. Yes, that's why
And I
after
say
my
that because those of you guys in the webinars, I'm going to take a guess, but I think your YouTube handle was Relentless Ruthie.
correct. Correct.
And I remember I saw you in the chat all the time. So when you
Yes.
see the videos and you see the chat, you see Relentless Ruthie. Here
Uh-huh.
she is.
That's me.
Yeah. Well, all right. Well, thank you for all that information. We're going to post links to everything you want to promote, your Facebook page, your Instagram, whatever you give me. We're going to put it in the show notes. So just point below to the show notes because
Uh-huh.
it's going to be there. And so
Mhm.
you guys can find Ruth there. And with that being said, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for helping me pass the exam. I wish everyone a good luck and just study hard and be patient with yourself. You'll pass.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.